Let me also go across to my colleague Priyanka, who's joining us live from Daman. Priyanka, we have been hearing cyclone Nisarga was crossing Maharashtra coast between Harihareshwara and Daman, very close to Alibag. That's an area sea conditions have become very rough at Daman. We hear one team of NDRF is also deployed there. Take us through what are the conditions around you, what is happening around you.
Well, absolutely. We were told by the IMD officials that the intensity will be a little lesser here in Daman, but of course it is going to have its ramifications. Since morning we have been showing you reports of the sea levels rising, and all the nearby villages have been completely evacuated. Hundreds of people have been shifted to government buildings and government schools as well. We'd like to show you where we're standing basically, because since morning we are witnessing in fact the sea levels rising and the intensity of the waves also increasing, and there will be a high tide as well that will be expected. The wind speed expected is around 70 to 80 km per hour and gusting up to 90 km per hour. However, they have said, the officials have said that rainfall might be heavy to very heavy, but the wind speed is going to be extremely intense. That is why the government here has taken all precautions to make sure that they have also evacuated all the people, and also made sure that they have taken down all the heavy billboards and the hoardings as well, since that can be a danger, that can be a potential danger to the people as well. We are actually standing at this one particular beach, this one particular sea point, where the nearby villages have been completely evacuated, and all of the people living inside there have been shifted to government buildings, and they have been told to be prepared to stay there for as long as it takes, because there might be some damage that these villages might also be seeing. There are villages of the fishermen who had to harbor their boats, anchor in their boats, and then leave for the government buildings. All of those being taken into consideration, and now the police officials have taken to the roads and patrolling, saying that people should stay inside, they should not come outside, because Daman particularly speaking has a lot of these sea point areas where the intensity of the cyclone and the effects of the cyclone will be very, very intense. That's why all these people are being told to continuously, repeatedly to stay inside. Patrolling vehicles we are seeing of police officials on the streets of Daman, asking people to go inside, and also spreading awareness of the cyclone Nisarga, telling them about what the cyclone is and how it might be affecting their lives as well. And that's why these kind of awareness campaigns and patrolling also being done by police officers as and when the landfall process has already started. The IMD officials still, however, saying that the wind might be a serious cause of concern, but not so much in Daman, but there's still going to be some kind of wind intensity that we will be able to see in probably 1 hour from now.